Have you ever noticed that when you wake up expecting a bad day, somehow everything seems to go wrong? You spill your coffee, you hit traffic, someone says something that annoys you. It feels like the universe is against you. But what if it isn't? Your brain has a built-in filter called the Reticular Activating System, or RAS. Every second, it's bombarded with millions of pieces of information. Since it can't process everything, it only lets through what it believes matters most. So if you constantly tell yourself, "I'm unlucky," your brain starts hunting for evidence to support that belief. You'll notice every setback, every mistake, every missed opportunity. But here's the interesting part. If you start believing that opportunities exist all around you, your brain begins searching for those instead. You'll spot ideas you would have ignored. You'll notice people who can help you. You'll see possibilities that were there all along. Psychologists call this confirmation bias. Your mind naturally looks for evidence that matches what you already believe. Your thoughts don't magically change reality, but they do change what you focus on. And what you focus on influences the choices you make. Those choices eventually shape your future. So ask yourself, what story are you telling yourself today? Because your brain is already working to make it feel true.